Assalamu alaikum. Anybody after? Say something if you hear. Assalamu alaikum. Hi. Hello. Who are you? Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Who are you? Who is like Mosibi mean هذا? So we will start our today's lesson for 11 graders, pre-calculus. Hi, Shabab. What's your names? Okay. Okay. Today's lesson is 9.1. It's okay. About matrices, how to use matrices, matrix solution, and we will like solve linear system again, like chapter 8, but but we're gonna solve the linear system using the matrices this time. Hi Faisal. هلا فيك. What's your name? What's your name? I can know. Waleed. How are you, Waleed? If you're gonna write your nickname, I'm gonna say. No, no. That's not your name. Your name. Gad, okay. Lu'ay, okay. Hi, Lu'ay. Hi, Gad. Okay. No, no, no. Your name, please. Just your name. Thank you very much. Hala, hala, hala. Muhammad. Me, Muhammad Hajjab. Assalamu alaikum again. Thanks for attending. Appreciate that. I think we're gonna continue our curricula according to these sessions, and we have another site, another application for live streaming for pre-calculus and like curricula videos, PowerPoint, and revision sheets for the remaining interval till the exam, inshallah Rabbil Alameen. I think you are like too brilliant to understand our little like remaining part in our curricula. Let's start today's lesson about matrices, matrix solutions, and like linear system. Already we solved it, already we learned it already, the linear system before. This year, chapter 8, and the previous years. But in this session, a little bit minutes, inshallah Rabbil Alameen, we're gonna learn something about how to solve the system using matrices. First of all, the objectives is to write the augmented matrix for a linear system, to perform matrix row operations, to use matrices and Gaussian elimination to solve the system, and to use matrices and Gauss-Jordan elimination to solve the system. The same style. So, what about your impression about this dog? Very good. You know, first of all, you have to know that matrices is a like lifestyle or a style to organize data. Here is the data, like we can classify men and women according to their ages. As you see here, for team members, we're gonna call each member as an element. It's okay, and we're gonna use the augmented matrices to organize this situation. As you see here, if you wanna see how to rewrite the system of linear equation into matrices. As you see, this system of three equations, 3x plus y plus 2z is 31, blah, 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 up to x plus 3y plus 2z is 25. So our today's lesson is to reform and rewrite the system linear equation into augmented matrices or augmented matrix. Thanks for this love icons. Thank you very much. Okay, and now how to rewrite? It's very easy. Just take the coefficients and organize the system into this matrix. 3 for x, 1, 2. Here, 3, 1, 2. The coefficients. 1, 1, 2. The coefficients. 1, 3, 2. So we organize all the coefficients, the left-hand side of the matrix, and we're gonna draw a vertical column and write all the free terms at the right. 31 here, 19, and 25. Is it hard for you? Another one, if you see like 3 equations here is 3 equations. X plus 2y minus 5z is negative 19. So it's 1, 2, negative 5, column, negative 19. 0 for x, no x here, 0. 1, 3, then column 9. 0, 1, and 4, because there is no x or y. That's why I can just thank you very much. Now you can rewrite the system of linear equation, whatever it's 2 or 3 or whatever 4 or 5 equations into augmented into in the form of augmented matrix. So our goal in solving the system of linear equation in 3 variables using matrices to produce the matrix with it down diagonals, the upper blah 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 blah. Okay, our mission. Let's skip this mission now and let's like take a tour about the properties of matrices. In this example, performing matrix row operation. According to the request, I wanna from you something. You have like to do this something as the request. Okay, I wanna from you. This is the matrix. Okay, it's okay. Okay, this is the matrix. 3 rows, 4. 3 rows, 4 columns. Because there are 3 equations and 4 parts. 3 coefficient and 1 free term. As you see here, 3 coefficients, and 1 for the rows. For the row. Okay. What do you do? What I want, and now perform a dedicated row operation. Please, I'm gonna ask you, replace the first request. Replace row 1 instead of row 2. Okay, mister, I'm gonna replace row 1 instead of row 2. Row 2 here. This is row 2. Okay, I'm gonna make it row 1, and this is row 1. I'm gonna make it row 2. So it becomes 1, 2, negative 3 instead of row 2. 3, 18, negative 12, row 1 becomes row 2, and row 2 becomes row 1. Again, what about the first request? I want to replace row 1 into row 2 and vice versa. Row 2 becomes instead of row 1. So we have finished. The second request. Just find third R1. Third row 1. This is row 1, don't forget. Before replacing, okay? Third row 1. Third row 1. So divide here by 3, here by 3, here by 3, here by 3. So okay, divide all by 3, it becomes 1 and instead of 3, 6, negative 4, 7. And all the other two rows as they are. It's okay. So I will just wanna third R1. It was hard. I think it was too easy to determine third R1. And now the third request and the last request here in this example is to determine 2R1 plus R3. Now, yes. I wanna 2R1 added to R3. How it come? How I can add two rows? And what about the resultant? I'm gonna put it where? Okay, let's see here. 2R1 plus R3. Okay. Okay, mister. If I ask you to determine 2R2 plus R3 means add twice the elements in R2, in row 2, okay? To the corresponding elements in row 3. Replace the elements in row 3 by the sums. Yeah. So it means like double R2, every element in R2, double it and add it to R3 and replace it in R3. Let's see how. Here is R1 as it is, R2 as it is. The affixation will be on row 3 only. Hurry up. Now we have to double one, okay, and add it to what? And add it here, double one here, and add it to negative 2. Double 1, 2 plus negative 2 becomes 0. Put 0 as the first element in R3, and instead of R3. Okay, again, double R2 plus R3, double R2, double 2, 4. Add it to negative 3. As I said, double R2 and add it to R3. Double R2 here and add it to R3. It's okay. Double R2 is 4 and add it to negative 3 becomes 1. By the same criteria, double negative 3 and add it to 4. Negative 3 double negative 3 is negative 6. Add it to 4 becomes a negative 2. Here, and put it negative 2 here instead of the third column, third element. Fourth element in the third column, don't forget you have to add double R2. Repeat. Double R2, 10. Double R2, 10. Add it to negative 6. Added to negative 10 and negative 6 is positive 4. So we rewrote the original matrices after some like changes. Don't forget, we double R2 plus R3 means the change in R3, the change in row 3, Okay, here is a simple example. Already we have like 3 conditions or 3 requests. First, I asked you to replace R1 by R2. It was very easy. Just replace R1 instead of R2, R2 instead of R1. The second request was third R2. Third R2 means you divide R2 by 3. Or third R1 divide R1 by 3. Quarter R3 divide R3 by 4. Triple R2 multiply all R2 by 3. Understood? So the third request was very, very important. How to double R2 and add it to R3 means every R2 here, double it and add it here. And the effect here in R3. So double, for example, double 1 and add it to negative 2 means double 1, 2 plus negative 2 becomes 0. Understand, please? It's okay. And now the last part part for two examples only. We have just two examples for one part called forget about it called okay, hello, okay, okay or not okay, okay or not okay, are you with me, still with me, still with me? Thank you very much. Okay, the third part about Gaussian elimination with elements. How to solve system of linear equation. How to solve the system of linear equation. Let's see Gaussian elimination with back substitution. I think already we learned how to solve this system before, using the elimination and checking using the mod 5 2. Okay, so today's lesson about how to solve the same system by another way using matrices. One famous technician mathematician called Mr. Gauss. Dr. Gauss has a German from Germany. It's okay. طبعا he born on like 1980 blah 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 يعني okay, but he discovered something different things, but he already discovered how to solve the system by elimination using matrices. Now hurry up, this is our example, the last one, how to resolve the system using matrices. The system using like matrices. The lesson is very easy. Thank you very much, Mr. Shabanovich. I don't know what's your name. Okay, let's see how to solve the system using matrices. First step, rewrite the system in the form of augmented matrix and write it as augmented matrix. 3x means 3, 1y means 1, 2z means 2. Column 31, 1, 1, 2, 19, 1, 3, 2, 25. Already we rewrote it in the matrix. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. Our mission, our what? Our mission is to what? Our mission is to keep this column 1, 1, 1, and instead of any number in the world. Again, make it 1, 1, 1, and make this part 0, 0, 0. Again, 3 zeros, and 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1 for the longest column, and 3 zeros here. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. We will force the matrix. We will force it. We will force the matrix to rewrite the numbers already, or the elements already found, into 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Again, please. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Whatever the elements before. In a good criteria, in a technician part, we have to use. Let's see. Don't forget, we already rewrote the system of linear equation into augmented matrix. It's okay. Okay, Mister, you want to hear 1, 1, 1, and instead of 1, 1, 2, and don't forget we want to 0, 0, 0, and instead of 3, 1, 3. How can we do that, Mister? How? We can't believe, Mister. You know, the first step, you see this 3 here? We want to hit 1, right? So we can replace row 2 instead of row 1, right or wrong? The first criteria, the first thinking, think about it, please. Please replace row 2 by row 1 to be sure that here is 1 instead of what? Yes, I heard you. I heard you. 3. Yeah. So it's 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. So we replaced the row 2 by row 1. Let's see here. We replaced row 2 by row 1. Here is 1, 1. Inshallah, دي هتبقى 1. Whatever بقى. But we here want a 0, 0, 0. We want 0 here, right? Okay, okay, okay. Mister. I want 0 here, here, and here, right? I will do double steps in one, please. Let's see how. We will multiply here by -3 and add it here to make it 0. طبعا multiply by -3 for all. Multiply here by -1 and put it here. Understand? So multiply -3, row 1, add it to row 2, and the affixation on row 2. Multiply also row 1 by -1, add it to row 3. The affixation will be on row 3. Let's see how. Let's see how. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. The first row, no affixation. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, and 19. Multiplied by -3, added here. Multiplied by -3, added here. Multiplied by -3, and so on. Multiplied by -1, added to row 3. Added to row 3, -1, and added to the element of row 3. The new matrix will be in this style. In this style. 1, 1, 2, 0, -2, -4, 0, 2, 0. Oh my God. Here we are processed to make it here 1, you see, by multiplying the row 2 by -half. Or divide by -2 here. Divide here by -2, it becomes 1, 1, 2, 19, 0, 1, 2, 13, 0, 2, 0, 6. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Here we can put it 1 also. We get 1, divide by 2, divide by 2. Divide by 2 becomes 1, divide by 2 becomes 3. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Okay, and as you see here, it was 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 0. We put 0 here. We want a 0 here, right? We want a 0 here. We want a 0 here, right? 0 here. So we can multiply here by multiply row 2 by -2 and add it to row 3. Multiply row 2 by -2 and add it to row 3. Multiply here by -2 and add it to row 3 to make it 0 here. It becomes 0, 0, -4, and -20, and then divided all by -4. It becomes, alhamdulillah, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. What is our I can't hold. I can't hold. Please stop explanation. I read to go. You want to go to the bathroom? You have to excuse and take a permission and take a card. I don't have the exit card now. Okay. Mazen, do you want a pencil? Okay. And now we already reach our target. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We make we made, or we kept the augmented matrix into 1, 1, 1 here, 0, 0, 0. The 1 here means Z, 1 here means Z, so Z equals 5. So we have finished our word. Z equals 5, and don't forget I can replace Z here by 5. Don't forget already Z equals what? 5, and what it means here by 1, 2 means Y plus 2Z equals 13. Y plus 2Z equals 13 means Y equals 3. In the first equation, X plus Y plus 2Z equals 19, so I can determine X. Already we determined Z, then Y, then X. Okay, okay. Just a few minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes later, or 5 minutes remainder, or 3 minutes, I think. Alhamdulillah, we have finished. Don't forget, we want to solve the checkpoint here. Okay, this is checkpoint. This matrix to X plus Y. If you want a pencil, if you want to solve with me step by step, as you wish, I'm going to start now. This matrix started by 2x plus y plus 2z is 18. X plus x minus y, x minus y plus 2z is 9. X plus 2y minus z is 6. First step, I have to write the augmented matrix. 2, 1, 2, 18. Again, 2, 1, 2, 18. 2, 1, 2, 18. 1, negative 1, 2, 9. 1, negative 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, negative 1, 6. Again, I just what? I just what? I just what? Replaced. I just what? Replaced what? 2 means 2. 1 means 1, and so on. Understand? Okay. And now, don't forget, we wanna what? We wanna make this column becomes 1, 1, 1, right? And this part, this triangular part, becomes 0, 0, 0. Okay? So that's our task. That's our task. The main column becomes 1, 1, 1. The triangular corner to the left becomes 0, 0, 0. What about the first step? I think this row 2, this row 2, this row 2, I can replace it with row 1. Row 2 here, and instead of row 1 here, and instead of row 2 and row 3 as it is. Is it hard? Is it hard? I think no. Right? Mister, yes. What do you want after? I think here is 1, 1, 1. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And it becomes like I have to multiply here by negative 1. Negative, negative, negative. What's your opinion? I think we approaches to finish. Here we can multiply row 1 by negative 2 and add it to row 2. Also multiply row 1 by 1 plus row 3 in the same time. In the same what time? Let's see row 1 as it is. Row 1 as it is. Row 2 becomes multiply here by negative 2, negative 2 plus 2, 0. Multiply by negative 2 becomes a 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Multiply here by negative 2 becomes a negative 4. Negative 4 plus 2, negative 2. Multiply here by negative 2, negative 18 plus 18, 0. Very good. Multiply, don't multiply here, just to add R1 to R3 becomes 0, alhamdulillah. Add R1 to R3 becomes a negative 3. Add R1 to R3 becomes 3. And add 9 to negative 6 becomes 3. I think we have finished. Just to add R2 plus R3. Understand? R2 plus R3. Just add. Right or wrong? If you understand, say understand. Yalla, just add R2 to R3. And the affixation on R3, R2 to R3, the affixation on R3, R2 to R3. The affixation, alhamdulillah, here 1. Add here, become the 3. Don't forget, R1 as it is, R2 as it is. Right? Right or wrong? Yeah, just like we have to make here 1, right? We want to make it 1. And now, just to divide R2 divided by 3. Find third R2. I think we have finished, inshallah. Third R2. 1, negative 1, 2, 9 as it is. 0, 0, 1, 3 as it is. Divide by 3 here, 0. 3 divided 3, 1. Negative 2/3 and 0. Thank you very much. So we have finished. What it means 1 and 3 here. 1 and 3 here means z equals 1, z equals 3. means like z equals 3. Don't forget here is y plus negative 2 over 3 z equals 0, right? Don't forget z equals 3. So y minus 2 is 0, y equals 2. 2 and the 3 here. Don't forget here means x minus y plus 2z equals 9. Replace y and z, replace y here by 2, z here by 3. So x minus 2 plus 6, 6 minus 2, 4, equals 9, x equals 5. Don't forget x equals 5, y equals 2, z equals 3. Thanks for attending. بصراحة أنتوا professional. Thank you very much. If you can, solve and tell your friends to solve these two problems in separated paper on your copybooks, please. Your copybooks, please. I'm so sorry for that. And one capture to announce the homework for all. 2 problems only. Just write in your copy and capture privately in my WhatsApp. Capture WhatsApp. It's okay. These 2 problems only. Okay. These 2 problems only. These 2 problems only. 3 problems. 1, number 15, number. I want to just like 13, 20, 13, 20, 15. Okay? Okay. And 1 here. Solve the system equation using matrices using Gauss. Number 21 only. Yes. 4 problems. Again, 13, 13. Okay. Very easy. 15, 15, 20, 21. 13, 21, 20, and 15. Okay, thank you very much for attending. Appreciate this work. Later on, inshallah, maybe we're gonna continue our curricula in this style. And I have like another site for our school style, inshallah, later on, I'll give you like, I'll send PowerPoints, worksheets, maybe exams using quizzes. It's okay. Not exams, yeah, like little quizzes using our quizzes application according to the code. Inshallah Rabbil Alameen, I'll give you all the, I'll facilitate all the parts. I'll give you the examples according to the exam exercises or exam problems. But please allow my rules, allow my procedures till the next, inshallah, remaining interval. Thanks for attending again. Thanks. Appreciate your attending. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum.